Vom ersten Mal alleine in unserem Versteck. Ich seh nach unseren Namen an der Wand und wisch die wieder weg. Ich will dir alles anvertrauen. Warum bist du abgehauen? Komm zurück, nimm mich mit. Komm und rette mich, ich verbrenne innerlich. Komm und rette mich, ich schaff nicht ohne dich. Komm und rette mich, rette mich. There's nothing left here anymore. My room is cold, it's making me insane. I've been waiting here so long. Another moment seems to have come. I see the dark clouds coming up again.
She said some days I feel like shit, some days I wanna quit and just be normal for a bit. I don't understand why you have to always be gone. I get along, but the trips always feel so long. And I find myself trying to stay by the phone, cause your voice always helps me to not feel so alone. But I feel like an idiot, working my day around a call that when I pick up I don't have much to say. So I want you to know it's a little fucked up that I'm stuck here waiting, at times debating, telling you that I've had it with you and your career. Me and the rest of the family here singing